General knowledge quiz on Indian Railways. Who is called as the father of Indian Railways? Answer: Lord Dalhousie. What is the symbol of Indian Railways? Answer C. Elephant. Which is the biggest railway station in India? Answer A. Gorakhpur Railway Station. How many zones are there in Indian Railways? Option C. 17. Which is the fast railway station in India? Answer B. Victoria Terminus. In which year Indian Railways Board established? Answer A. 1905. When was first electric train started in India? Answer A. 1925. Who was the first railway minister of India? Answer C. John Mathai. Who presented the first railway budget of independent India? Answer A. John Mathai. What is the name of the present railway minister of India? Answer B. Ashwini Vaishnav. Which zone is the largest in Indian Railways? Answer B. Northern Railways. Who is the first female railways minister of India? Answer B. Mamata Banerjee. When did Indian Railways Act passed? Answer C. 1890. Which is the fastest train in India Railways? Answer A. Gatiman Express. Which is the longest rail route in Indian Railways? Answer C. Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. Who is the present chairman of Railways Board? Answer C. Sunit Sharma. Railway Staff College is located in which state? Answer B. Gujarat. Which is the longest railway bridge in India? Answer C. Bogibel Railroad Bridge. The headquarters of North Eastern Railway is situated at? Answer C. Gorakhpur. Which city houses the headquarters of Central Railways? Answer C. Mumbai. Where was the first metro rail started in India? Answer B. Kolkata. Who is the metro man of India? Answer C. Elattuvalapil Sridharan. The largest integral coach factory in India is located at? Answer B. Chennai. Which is the cleanest railway station in India? Answer C. Jodhpur. Which of the following railways tunnel in India is the longest? Answer A. Pir Panjal Tunnel. In which city railway coaches are manufactured? Answer C. Kapurthala. What is the rank of India in the world in terms of length of railway network? Answer B. Fourth. The Bandhan Express is an international passenger train which runs between the India and which country? Answer B. Bangladesh. Where is the highest bridge in the world? Answer C. Chenab Bridge. What is the width of broad gauge railway line in India? Answer B. 5 feet 6 inch. In which city is the wheel and axle plant of Indian Railways located? Answer B. Bangalore. What is the slogan of Indian Railways? Answer C. Lifeline of the nation. Which Indian railway station has the largest number of platforms? Answer A. Howrah Junction. Which is the India's first double-decker train? Answer B. Howrah Dhanbad. Who is the first female loco pilot train driver of the Indian Railways? Answer C. Surekha Shankar Yadav. India's first indigenously designed locomotive-less, engine-less train known as? Answer C. Train 18. Which railways line runs parallel to the Arabian Sea? Answer B. Konkan Railways. Which state of India has no railway line? Answer C. Meghalaya. Which railway station, one of the busiest railway station in the India, has got gold rating by the Indian Green Building Council? Answer A. Vijayawada Railway Station. Which is the oldest railway zone in India? Answer C. The Southern Railways. When was the first train steamed up in India? Answer 1853. Which of the following is the headquarters of the newly established railway zone, East Coast Railways? Answer D. Bhubaneswar. Who of the following is known for having designed the first railway timetables? Answer C. George Bradshaw. Which of the following is the largest railway junction in India? Answer C. Mathura. Which of the following is the easternmost division of the Indian Railways? Answer A. Tinsukia. Gorakhpur, which has the longest railway platform in the world, is located in which of the following state? Answer C. Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following station was formerly known as Victoria Terminus? Answer D. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Which of the following ran the fast train from Bori Bandar to Thane in 1853? Answer D. Great Indian Peninsula Railway. Which of the following is the largest zone in terms of route kilometers? Answer C. Northern Railways. Which of the following is the largest marshalling yard in India, also the longest in Asia? Answer A. Mughal Sarai.